So here we're talking about the global economy. This exercise is about pronouns and comparisons. So here they say that the global economy grew more than it did. Now we have to look for a referent for this it, and the referent is the global economy. Now this is a personal pronoun, so it's referring to the noun itself, right? So this it is referring to the global economy. We have to check if it makes sense, and actually it makes sense here, so that's fine, that's the answer. Then later we also have to identify that there is a correlative idiom from X to Y. So here we have to have a parallel structure between X and Y. Okay? So letter A seems fine. Let's go to letter B. In letter B, there is a problem with the correlative idiom because they say from X. We already know that Y is to 1950. 1950 is a noun. It's a noun. So whatever X is, it must also be a noun. But when is not a noun? When is opening up a subordinated clause. And a subordinated clause is not parallel to a noun. So that's out. B is out. Okay? Now letter C. The growth exceeds that. This that seems to be also a pronoun. That creates a copy, right? So it's referring to the growth, but it's not talking about this growth. It's copying that growth and refer to something similar. Another growth. So in this case, letter C, we have two types of growths, which had been. Now this past perfect makes no sense, right? Because we need some time references to place that past perfect. The time reference to place a past perfect had been, for example, are usually two, right? A simple past and also a by plus a limit. In this case, we have none of them, so this had been is wrong. So letter C is also out. Alright, so the problem with D and E is that they use the personal pronoun it. Right, let's remember it is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, which basically means that it's going to refer to the same exact noun. So this it has as a referent the growth. Now, when we have comparisons, we have to ask, are we really comparing this growth here, the one that is between 1990 and 2000, to itself? Or are we comparing that growth to another growth? Right, and actually the meaning here is that we're comparing this growth of these years, 1990 to 2000, to another growth that happened before, right? Before, for the previous 10,000 years. So there are two growths we want to compare. So it doesn't work because it refers to this growth between 1990 and 2000. So in this case, it should have been a that of, because that of creates a copy. All right, so because those two are wrong, we had eliminated already B and C. Letter A is our answer.